In this video, we are going to explain about the layout tab in the menu bar of MS Word. So in the layout tab, you will see some groups, that is page setup, paragraph and arrangement. So what are all the things comes under the page setup? So of course it will all about the page only. So the first option is the margin. So let's see what is the margin. You all know that what is the margin. It is the space that you found in the notebook or in any page, that is the space that you found in the left, right, top and bottom of a sheet. Okay, so this is the normal page. Here it is mentioned the inches. Okay, top it is 1 inch, left also 1 inch away from the page, and bottom is also having the margin of 1 inch. So this is the margin, normal one. When I click on this narrow, you can see that the text content also get changed. Please observe the text here. So it is very narrow one. Here they are telling in narrow it is only 0.5 inch. At the top they are having only the 0.5. See, this one is the 1 inch, so only the 0.5 is there. Here also a 0.5 only is there. And if I am talking about the moderate, it is the top it is 1 inch, bottom also 1 inch, but left and right it is 7.75 inches. Okay, so this is the change. And wide means, that means we are having a wide margin. So you can see this one, it is very wide one. This is the wide margin, and this is the mirrored one. So this is like this. So now what is the orientation? Orientation means in the file session, while taking the print, while setting the print out, we have talked about what is an orientation. Orientation means the way the page appear or the content appear in the page. So in the portrait, what happened? The length, the page length increases and the width compared to its width. And in the landscape, the height is reduced but the width increased. Okay, your content will be the same, nothing happened on that, only the page layout will change. So this is the orientation. This is by default, it is the portrait. And you can observe that when I clicking the landscape, the width of this document get increased. You can see this one. Yes, see, this is the landscape. Here the width of the document increased. So when I click on the portrait, you can see that the length increased. Okay, so this is the orientation. Now next we are talking about the size. Size of the page means we are having the letter format is there. So legal, executive, A4, like lots of page formats are there. You know about that in the taking the print. You are in the notebook also, it is very small pages. Textbook, the length of the page is larger as compared to the notebook. So likewise, you have already observed the lot different types of page sizes. So by default in MS Word, the page is of letter and its standard size is 8.5 inch by 11 inch. That is height is this and this is the width. So you can see that when I click on A4, this is the A4 page and it is the legal page. It is more taller page actually as compared to the A4 page. So that is the page setup. Next we are talking about the column. Column means here it is a one page. So one column only. When I select the two column, you can see that it is the two column. So here I am having a lesser amount of content. If I increase the content, you can observe this one. I am just copying this one and again I am going to paste. Lots of pages. Now I am in 3 pages. Okay, now in column, if I want to click on 2, you can see that. See, this is the column. I can increase the margin. Okay, this is the 2 column. In your textbook, 2 column is there. So you can see that. This is the way how your textbook get printed. This is the 2 column. And when it comes to the 3 column, you can see that textbooks in a 3 column, in novels and all, in books, reading books, story books, you can see this one. And this is the left one. Left you are having the content and the right it is then width of the content is extended. So this is the various printing method you have already seen in your textbook, all these things, but this is the way how all these things, all the pages have set. Okay, so hope this is very clear for you. So let's come back to its only one column form, normal one. Next one is page break. That means after this content, if I want to make this content from here onwards, I want to type this on a new page. Okay. For that, I have to place this mouse pointer here, and when I set this page breaker, So what happened? See this this content moved or shifted to the new page, the next page. Is that clear? What is the page break? Okay, and also we are having a line break is also there. So this is the line break. That means by line it is breaking. So see, you can see the number for each line. It is still giving the number. So this is the line break. Okay, and none I am just clicking. I just shown this how to do all these things. Okay. Next we are talking about the paragraph. Very important one is the paragraph. Paragraph, or we will call it as a indentation. Okay. So here intent is there. So you can observe that I am just selecting this paragraph only. Here from left onwards, this is our margin, you know that. So if I increase this inch, it will move. That means it will go far away from the margin to the left side. If I am clicking the left, so it is telling that how far to move the paragraph away from the left margin. Okay. And if I increase this one, you can see that it is moving away from the margin. And on the right also, I can increase this one. Increasing the number means moving away from the margin. Now next one is called the spacing, that is before and after. That means before this one and after this one. What is the spacing? So you can observe that, see, this is the spacing. Increasing the spacing, that is they are moving away. The content is moving away from the before content and after the content. Okay. So this is the spacing. Okay, so this is called the paragraph indentation, we will call it as. So here you have seen that what is the intent and what is the spacing. Intent means how would you like to appear the paragraph. That means how much far away from the margin in the left side and the right side, that are done by this only. Okay, so this is what all about the paragraph. So this is all about the layout tab. Now, let us write this in your notebook. Questions and answers. Question number 1. What is margins? Answer. Set the margin size to the entire document or the current section. Question number 2. What is orientation? Answer. You can choose either portrait or vertical or landscape, that is horizontal orientation for all or part of your document. Question number 3. What is page size? Answer. Page size refers to the area of your paper or sheet, and size is the size of the paper used for printing. Thank you, children.